In this video, we'll go over how to replace the batteries in a 2 gig SMKT3 345 smoke and heat alarm. Start by turning the unit counterclockwise until it comes free from the base. Locate the 3 AAA batteries and remove them. Note that they are seated quite snugly. After the new batteries have been installed, place the unit back on the ceiling mount and lock it into place, ensuring that the ridge on the side is in line. As always, test the unit after installing fresh batteries. This is Tyler with Surety DIY. Thanks for watching.